Before we get into today's video, guys, please make sure to go ahead and smash that subscribe button to stay up to date with all my amazing Minecraft videos. Hey guys, welcome back to another video with your main man, Smooth Marky, and in today's video, we're going to be heading to the PJ in the Mass Dimension. That's right, guys, and hopefully we're going to be meeting up with all of them, guys, and maybe they even let us in their gang. If I do get in their gang, like, I could be like Spider-Boy. Like, I know they have a lot of them, like Catboy and whatnot, but I could be like Spider-Boy, or maybe I could be Dogman. That would be pretty cool, guys. But what you're going to need to head to this dimension is you're going to need 10 blue wool. You want to place 2 of them just like that. Then you're going to need fur red wool. You want to place 1 of those on each side of your blue wool just like that. Now you just want to go ahead, jump on up, and then you want to place 1, 2, 3 blue wool, and then 1 red wool on top. Now you just want to go ahead, jump on down. Ow, that really hurt, and I missed. And then you want to place 3 blue wool on this side, 2 blue wool in the middle, and 1 red wool on the edge, and boom, you are finished, guys. Wow, that looks amazing. But now would probably be a good time to hit that subscribe button and that like button, because I know you love these kind of videos, and I love subscribers, and also likes, guys. But let's go ahead and let's light this baby up. Boom! Wow, don't that look absolutely amazing, guys? Now it's time to go ahead and head on into this dimension. Fingers crossed it loads up quick and we get to meet up with Catboy. That's one of my biggest dreams, guys. Oh my god, which place is theirs? Is that their place? Is that their place? Like, which place is their place, guys? I'm almost positive. That that's their place. So let's go ahead. Let's try to head on in, guys. Hopefully this cow is not their security and he don't try to beat me up. Become friends. Become friends with my pig. And, yeah, have pity on me. This must be their place, guys. Look, they have a blue sidewalk. And, wow, they have no mail in their mailbox. I'm going to go ahead and stick a bow and some arrows. That way, when he comes out to look in his mailbox, he's like, what the heck? Did somebody leave me a present? Oh, it was obviously Smooth Marky. So I'm going to go ahead, subscribe to his channel, and hit that thumbs up button. Because I just love presents. But wow, guys, his place is huge. Should such a little boy have such a huge place? The answer is yes, guys. The answer is yes. Let's go ahead and shut that back. And wow, this place is humongous. This must be his kitchen, guys, which is pretty cool. Let's go ahead and see what he has in his chest. He has no food. No food. What is up with these guys having no food? Like, nobody has any food anymore in their kitchen. Like, why do you even have a kitchen if you're not going to have any food? He has a pretty nice table, though. And he also has some pretty nice sofas and whatnot. Let's go ahead and head on up his staircase, guys. Oh my god, I did not talk bad about your kitchen. Hopefully you didn't hear any of that. Oh my god, I'm talking to you about it, so obviously now you're hearing about it. I'm so sorry. I'm so sorry, Catboy. Please have mercy on me. I'm a huge fan of yours. My pig's a huge fan of yours. We're all a huge fan of yours. So please have pity on me and don't beat me up. Don't beat me up like some old man. Alright, I think he's going to have pity on us, guys. Let's go ahead and jump on his bed. This is pretty fun, guys. Ain't this pretty fun? And oh my god, I think he wants us to check out his computer. This is obviously like his little laptop, which is pretty cool. Whoa, you wasn't wanting us to check out your laptop. You was just trying to jump on the bed. Wow, that's so mean. That's so rude. And it's also rude that you ain't got anything. Where did he go? Oh, right there he is. Wow, there for a minute I thought he disappeared, guys. But that's pretty mean. That's pretty messed up that you would tell somebody to check out something just so you can go and check out what they was originally checking out, guys. I know that might be a little confusing, but he does have a nice patio. Let's go ahead and see the view from her, guys. Whoa, you can actually see where we came from. You can also see our pig. You can also see some kind of truck over there, guys, which looks pretty cool. Let's go ahead and shut this on back, and let's go ahead and blow this place up. That's what I'm going to do. No, I'm not trying to go to sleep. I'm just trying to blow up his house. So let's go ahead and put the TNT all down, all throughout his house. Oh my god. There for a minute I was walking up the staircase instead of walking down. I definitely got to get out of this house because I do not want to get blowed up with him, guys. I do not want to get blowed up because I'm not a superhero. I wouldn't survive. Only superheroes will survive explosions, guys. So let's go ahead and blow his house up. And hopefully this will be a massive explosion, guys. Oh my god. Whoa. That is a massive explosion. Wow. Oh my god. Did he survive that? Catboy actually survived that. Wow, that is amazing. But the real question is, does he still want to be friends with me? Let me go ahead and head on over and ask him, guys. Catboy, are you going to forgive me for blowing up your house? I'm sorry. I'm really sorry. You ain't gotta keep walking and not talking. You can talk to me. I feel really bad about what I've done. Will you please forgive me and subscribe to my channel and like all my videos? I'm sorry, you don't have to think on this. I really am. Well, I guess he's just too mad right now. But if you guys did enjoy this video, please make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. And also let me know what you guys thought about this absolutely amazing dimension down in the comment section below. Until next time, thanks for watching. Bye.